So regarding assembly items not being able to add to the cart while user is logged in, right now I'm not logged into the site, and I'll browse to an assembly item and you'll see that I am able to add it to the cart when I'm not logged in. So this product is added to the cart. If I log into the site, then I will no longer be able to add it to my cart. So now I'm logged into the site. You can see my name up here, and I'll try to add that same item to my cart, and you see the screen just flashed and it did not add that product to my cart. I'll try the purple one, a triple extra large, and it flashed. It's not in the cart. That flashing means it didn't do anything. Just to confirm that, we'll view the cart. Let's see, I should empty my cart and then it'll be a lot more clear. You can see there's no triple X in my cart though. But just to make this really crystal clear, my cart's now empty, and so I'll browse to the item, choose the teal, the screen just flashes 0 in the cart. So now if I log out of the site, now I should magically be able to add this same item to my cart. Now it does add to the cart, so if I'm not logged in, I can add the assembly item to the cart. You see it added that one item here. If I log into the site, then I'm not able to add that item to my cart. I'll just go back one more time just to illustrate that. So my cart now has the purple large. I'll try and add the teal medium, and it adds it to my cart. Well, the reason that added to the cart, this is great because it illustrates the second problem. You see how the site doesn't actually know I'm logged in. You just saw that I logged in, but it says login up here. It doesn't actually recognize that I'm logged in. So the site thinks I'm not logged in, therefore I can still add anything I want of an assembly item to the cart and it works. Now, we're not sure why this problem exists, but if I were to go to checkout, anywhere on, yes, so if I go to leave the domain and go to checkout, to the checkout.byustore.com, and then I go back to the domain, I haven't done anything different with my login. It knows I'm logged in. Now if I go back, it magically shows my name here now. So now that it shows my name, now I now cannot add it to my cart. We'll do a teal extra large and flashing screen. No teal extra large in my cart. So this problem with the login not showing your name on the top although you have logged in, we're not sure why that happens. There's an open support case trying to fix that, but it happens all the time throughout the day on most days. We'll see if I can make it happen again. I go to login and it'll do it sometimes all day long, sometimes not. So this time you see it didn't do that. We're not sure what causes it to happen sometimes and sometimes not, but if I see my name and the site recognizes I'm logged in on the shopping part, then I cannot add the assembly items to my cart. If the site and the shopping area does not recognize that I'm logged in, then I can add it to my cart.